look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky over a beautiful sunrise. There's so much they hold, just like them old stars. That you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? See, I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, and when you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting. See what you find, 'cause even the stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth. We've got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. I won't give up. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay, to make the difference that I can make. Our differences do a lot to teach us how to use the tools, the skills we've got, and yeah, they have a lot at stake. So I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, so I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up.